Hey guys, let's see how to connect the TMY projector to an iPad. As you can see, my iPad is just right here and it reflects back there, right? So it's working pretty fine. So let me show you how it works. The first thing that you need to do is just take the remote control and go to the main screen here, okay? And then you're gonna find this option for iOS Cast. That's the one that you're gonna use, but before, you just need to go to settings and make sure that you have your network settings connected to the same router as you're connected here with your iPad. So back here to the iPad, just make sure that here on the Wi-Fi settings, you have the same network, which I have just right here, as you can see there. Okay, and then you just get your remote control again, go to the main screen, and now you can come here to the iOS cast. As long as you have this option enabled here, you have the instruction on the screen, and here on the iPad, just need to slide again here and come to mirror, right? And then you're gonna find here your projector. Just click, and it's going to mirror back there, right? Just need to wait a little bit. Sometimes depending on the model, it takes a while to reflect there, but it works. You see, it's working back there right now, right? So that's the way you can connect your iPad to the TMY projector. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.